my name is Samantha Lumley. I am in Bio 225. It is May 16, 2019, and I am doing the first video for the bacterial enumeration. And this is the setup. I've already labeled everything, and I've already serially diluted the yeast. So each one is labeled 10 to the 1, 10 to, and so on throughout. And then I've labeled each agar plate 10 to the 1 to match the corresponding. So directions say that I need to do 4 drops and swirl it on the plate. So the plate, just next one. Cover it and swirl. This one. Four drops. Is really annoying. And swirl. And swirl. And last one. Four drops. And swirl. And then I will be leaving it upright for 12 hours. And then I'll be incubating it for an additional 36 hours and be continuing this video. Hi, my name is Samantha Lumley. I am in Bio 225. It is May 19, 2019, and then this is the second part of the bacterial enumeration. My samples are down here, and I realized from the last video, because I watched it, that I was missing. I didn't go over the serial dilution amounts. So the dilution amounts were 2.25 of the distilled water in the test tube, and then 0.25 of the yeast solution went into 10 to the 1. And then from 10 to the 1 to 10 to 2, 0.25 milliliters of this solution went into the second test tube. And from 10 to 2 to 10 to 3, 0.25 from the 10 to the 2 tube went in there serially throughout, so that as we went further along the test tubes, the solution would be diluted. And the point to that is for microbiologists to get a good estimate of the main solution's amount of microbes that are in there, because there'd be too many to count on their own. So by diluting it, it would make it easier to figure out the amount of the parent solution. The viable numbers are from 30 to 300. 30 is considered below 30 is considered not viable, and above 300 is not viable. And below 30 because it's just not enough of a solution, and maybe they didn't grow. And above 300 is there are too many, and they kind of overlap each other, so it's too hard to count. So this is 10 to the 1 for my solution. I have a couple of contaminated microbes, so I believe I have to be better with my aseptic technique. This is too many to count. Too many to count, and now it has some contaminated microbes. The third one, 10-4, was still too many to count. I believe it was like 380. And then the 10 to the 5 was the next one that was a viable amount. And then 10 to 6 has some microbes on here that were contaminated, but it was too few to count, so it was less than 30. So 10 to the 5 was the one that I used to do the calculations to find out with the parent solution how many microbes were in that. And that is in our lab. So this is just this is my video for what my incubated microbes turn out like. It did take an extra day because it's been cold here, so I didn't realize that I didn't even think about temperature. So although I know we went over that in the first part of lab preparation, it didn't correlate. So for my next incubation lab, I will be paying better attention to the overall temperature of our environment. So that is Bacterial Enumeration Lab. Thank you.